In this video, we're going to be looking at another very popular plugin called the All-in-One SEO pack, because the search engines are they're your friends. If you want to get popular, if you want people to find your website by typing a keyword into Google or Bing or Yahoo, then it would be nice to have your website optimized to be search engine optimized. So you need to learn a bit of SEO. It doesn't come automatically. You need to actually learn how to do these things. So there are some plugins that helps you, because the way the old style HTML coding of a website is very useful. So when we used to build a website back in the days, we can encode things like keywords for each page, and the page title, the keywords, and the description. But now that we have all this PHP generated website, all this server-side scripting languages, is quite not the same as it used to be anyway. Don't worry about everything I just said if it doesn't make any sense. I don't think it made any sense to me. So anyway, let's install the SEO so you can read through the details, and this thing is actually very powerful. So all this thing might not make sense to you because they're trying to make it sound cool, so you can upgrade to the pro version, but don't worry about upgrading anything. Just click on install and activate it. Now that it's been activated, it's telling you that all-in-one SEO must be configured. So go to the admin page. So let's go to the admin page, and this is the admin page. They want you to subscribe to the newsletter. If you so wish, you can do that. You can upgrade to pro if you want, but it's not necessary. You can donate to them if you want, but well, we'll do that when we have enough money. You can enjoy and make a donation. So this is where you enable it. So you can click on enable, and this is where you do some of the magic that will make your website to be search engine friendly. So you can put your on-page title. Basically, on-page title is what is going to be the description in the search engine for your home page. So you type that. For example, if you're developing a website about cats and dogs, you can say this website is about cats and dogs, and so on. And same thing with the description. You want to put your on-page description here, and then the keywords. So these are the useful keywords. I think, okay, if you click on any of this, you can actually get help. It's going to show you a little bit of help at the bottom of the box. So as the name implies, this will be the title of your home page. This is independent of any other options for the keyword as well. So this is going to be added to the meta keyword section of your home page. So but the keywords, this is something that you want to pay attention to. And in order to get a keyword, if you have a website, let's look for a particular website, say Engadget. Let's try engadget.com. If you right click on anywhere of the page and select view page source, and if you look through, you might get some keywords about what the website is about. Okay, I want to show you a few things. I'm not sure if they have let's do okay, I'm looking for the keyword in a page, but I couldn't find anything at the moment, so I don't think they have a keyword section on the page. Anyway, let's get back to it. So most of these default options are fine for how do you want the rewriting of the title. I think you should leave these options to be enabled by default. All these canonical URLs and rewrite title. Don't worry if you want to get explanation for each one, but leave all of them to be enabled by default, and then you can exclude pages that you don't want them to be optimized. For example, if you have a disclaimer page, for example, you just have some kind of from technical jargons, you don't want it to be indexed. Or if you have a member only website, member only section of your website, if you don't want it to be in Google or inside Yahoo, you don't want people to come through your website through some pages, you can exclude them to be optimized. Additional post headers, and you can get more help, but this, if you leave the default, make sure you put the homepage title, the description, and the keywords, and then leave the default. It's going to rewrite some of the search title formats and stuff, and the 404 title format, everything that that they've configured by default is good enough. So once you're done, make sure you click on update options, and all-in-one SEO options has been updated. This is a cool tool that you can actually take some time to learn more about. I think you should, because most of the time what I do is just put a title, description, keyword, leave everything as it is, and then just click on the update option, and I know that my website is now SEO friendly. So you're not going to see any changes on your website, except when you, let's refresh. We might not see anything now, but basically what we're trying to modify, which I'll show you. What we're trying to modify, view page source. What we're trying to modify is the section on the head where we have, let me see if I can find anything interesting to show you. Okay, once I put some of my information, like the keywords I'm going to be using and stuff, then you're going to see the changes that we've made. I'm going to show you the changes once I find them. I don't want to bore you with too much code on the screen right now. So I hope that one you find it useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.